Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to unbox this thing. Now, it is a wireless mouse, but not just any wireless mouse. It is a rechargeable wireless mouse that is supposed to last on one charge up to 18 months. Sure. But on the box, you do see high quality computer mouse, business, office, home, game. And it is by INPHIC. At INPHIC.com is where you can find this. You can also find this on Amazon. On the side, it says, "Are you in?" That's what she said. So on the back, INPHIC. INPHIC Electronics, and it is made in China. Who'd have thunk? So it is the INPHIC M6P wireless mouse, black, and it's new. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Ooh. Okay. So in the box, you have a charging cable. You have this thank you. And what do you think about us? And you can go on Facebook or Twitter. And it does, okay, we know you have a world full of choices, but thank you for choosing us. That's nice. And then we have 2.4 gigahertz wireless mouse. This is the huge manual. And it has English and German and French and Italian, and Spanish, and Japanese, and warranty policy. And have you ever read a warranty? That's a strange language. Key descriptions. Let's move this out of the way and take a look at what you came here for. Ooh, that's nice and futuristic. Futuristic. There we go. So we have, of course, our left-right mouse button. We have our scroller. Oh, which does have clicks to it. We have a DPI change, so you can go like really fine, quick, medium, slow. And on the bottom, this is where you have your on-off switch. That is the optical sensor right here. And then right here, pulling that out, that is what you plug into your computer so that it can read this thing. Up front here is, of course, where you plug it in to recharge. And the cool thing about this, the really super cool thing, is if this thing's dead, you plug it in and you can still use it as it's being charged. At least that's what the advertisement said. Of course, the side buttons here is, pretty much programmable, G1, G2, and you can decide what you want to use that for. And I'm sure everything's there in the instructions, I'm sure. All right, let's go hook this thing up and see if it works. Now here it is, right next to the G502 Hero. As you can see, they're about the same size, about the same comfortability, except this one, of course, is a bit lighter. Yep, it feels just as comfortable in the hands. Scroll wheel isn't quite as good, although it is a little more quiet, so that's a good thing. Has the DPI switches. Let's go ahead and plug this thing in. Alrighty, so it is charging up. Now it does have these little arrows. I don't know if you can quite make that out. But as it charges up, these arrows are supposed to be lit up And right now it's only on level 1, so I guess that means this thing's almost dead. Plug the transmitter into an open USB slot on your computer, and then we just turn it on, and let's see what happens. Oh. Didn't have to load anything in or anything. Look at that. It works. Click. Yep. It's working. Everything's clicking. Everything's working. I like it. And again, that is the M6P wireless mouse from INPHIC. And as always, have a great day.